Welcome to one more session of Maths. We are in Standard 8, and from today we are going to start a new chapter, which is Fourth one, Practical Geometry. Okay, in this chapter we will construct quadrilaterals for the given measurements. So in earlier standard, means in 7th standard, you have learned to construct triangles. Look at it. You have learned how to construct triangles in class 7. Okay, you require 3 measures out of 6. Okay, you require 3 measures. So triangle को 6 measurements होते हैं, 3 sides and 3 angles. उसमें से आपको किसी भी हालांकि कोई भी 3 नहीं चलता, लेकिन आपको यूनिक ट्रायंगल बनाने के लिए आपको 3 मेजरमेंट्स आपको देने चाहिए. वो आप पढ़ चुके हैं, SSS क्राइटेरिया. ओके, SAS क्राइटेरिया. ओके, देन RHS क्राइटेरिया. ऐसे आपको क्राइटेरिया दिया गया है और क्राइटेरिया के मुताबिक आप कंडीशन का यूज करके आप ट्रायंगल कंस्ट्रक्ट करते थे, यूनिक ट्रायंगल. ओके, now in this chapter in standard 8 we will learn how to construct a quadrilateral. तो हमें यूनिक क्वाड्रिलेटरल कंस्ट्रक्ट करना है. ओके, so a quadrilateral has 10 parts, wide, 4 sides, 4 angles and 2 diagonals. ओके, क्वाड्रिलेटरल को 10 parts होते हैं, 4 sides. Look at it. For this ABCD quadrilateral, there are 4 sides, AB, BC, CD and D aligned segments. 4 angles are angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D. And 2 diagonals are line segment AC and line segment BD. So out of 10 parts, you should have at least 5 parts. To construct a unique quadrilateral, you should be given any 5 measurements. So ये 10 measurements में से आपको किसी भी 5 measurements आपको देना पड़ेगा, तभी आप यूनिक क्वाड्रिलेटरल कंस्ट्रक्ट कर पाओगे. Now according to our books, there are 5 types given in this book. So first type of quadrilateral that we have to construct, in which 4 sides and 1 diagonal is given. Okay, so चारों साइड, क्वाड्रिलेटरल की चारों साइड और एक डायगोनल आपको दिया जाता है, उस पे से आपको कंस्ट्रक्ट करना है. ओके, सो लेट अस स्टार्ट कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ यूजिंग द फर्स्ट मेथड. ओके, वेरी गुड. Now first type of method to construct a quadrilateral when the lengths of 4 sides and a diagonal are given. So first type of quadrilateral that we are going to construct is in which lengths of 4 sides and a length of 1 diagonals are given. So it's exercise 4.1, question number 1. Construct quadrilateral ABCD when AB is 4.5, BC is 5.5, CD is 4 cm, AD is 6 and AC is 7. So look at it. If it is ABCD, then AB is a side, BC is a side, CD is a side, AD is side and AC is diagonal. So this one is a diagonal. So in this type of method, first of all we have to draw a rough figure. Okay, so we will start with diagonal. AC is equal to 7 centimeter. Okay, AC is equal to 7 centimeter. Now there is a point B maybe on the upper side of this diagonal and D may be to the downside of diagonal. So okay, so if you want to put B, then B is 4.5 centimeter away from A and C is 5.5 centimeters. So here it will be B here, C and D here. Okay, so D is 4.5 centimeters away from A, C is 5.5 centimeters away from B is 5.5 centimeters away from C. Okay, now D here, so AD is 6, so D is 6 centimeters away from A, and CD, so D is 4 centimeters away from C. So we will start with the diagonal. Okay, 7 centimeters long. Okay, so first of all, this type of quadrilateral will look. Okay, now let us start with the diagonal AC is equal to 7 centimeter. So using you can use a scale, pencil and a rounder only. Okay, आप प्रोटेक्टर का यूज नहीं कर सकते. ओके, सिर्फ यही चीजों का आप यूज कर सकते हो. नाउ ड्रॉ अ लाइन सेगमेंट AC ऑफ लेंथ 7 सेंटीमीटर. ओके, सो मैंने ये ड्रॉ किया 7 सेंटीमीटर का मेरा स्केल लेके. ओके, AC of 7 centimeter. Now this is of 7 centimeter. Now you can see that B is 4.5 centimeters away from it. So using a scale and a rounder, and taking a length of 4.5 centimeters. Okay, 4.5 centimeters. So I will taking B as a center and the radius is equal to 4.5 centimeters. I will draw an arc, and from C, B is 5.5 centimeters. So taking 5.5 centimeters radius, okay, 5.5 centimeters radius, taking C as a center and radius is equal to 5.5 centimeters. I will draw another arc to one side of AC. Okay, so and will be the name point of intersection is given B as a name of it, of the point. Okay, now I'll join is AB and BC. So this is nothing but the triangle we have constructed using side criteria. पहले हमने साइड AC ड्रॉ की, फिर साइड AB ड्रॉ की और फिर साइड CB ड्रॉ की. तो ये साइड क्राइटेरिया का यूज करके हमने ट्राइंगल ABC ड्रॉ किया. ओके, now we want the fourth point D, which is to the downside of AC. Okay, now D is 6 centimeters away from the A and 4 centimeters away from C. Okay, so taking 6 centimeters radius, now taking A as a center and radius is equal to 6 centimeter, I'll draw an arc. Okay, and then D is 4 centimeters away from C. So now taking 4 centimeters radius, taking 4 centimeters radius, I'll draw an arc. Okay, to complete it, to get them intersect at each other. Okay, this is point D, this is point D, and as we join AD and CD, AD and CD, okay, this is the completion of the construction of a quadrilateral ABCD as per given measurement. Okay, now we will write the steps of construction. Okay, now first of all पहले हमने ये ट्राइंगल ड्रॉ किया. So using SSS criteria, draw triangle ABC such that AC is equal to 7 centimeter, then AB is equal to 4.5 centimeter and BC is equal to 5.5 centimeter. Okay, now find the point of how to find the point D. Okay, now my friends, to the opposite side of we'll start. First of all, we will draw an arc using 6 centimeters radius and taking A as a center. So taking A as a center and radius 4.6 centimeter. Draw an arc to the opposite side of B with reference to AC. Okay, so we have to draw an arc to the opposite side of B with reference to AC. Okay, taking A as a center and radius 6 centimeter, draw an arc to the opposite side of B with reference to AC. Now taking C as a center and radius 4 centimeter, draw another arc intersecting the earlier drawn arc at point D. The point of intersection को हम directly D बोल देंगे. Taking C as a center and radius 4 centimeter, draw another arc intersecting the earlier arc at point D. Earlier drawn arc rather. Okay. Now join AD and CD. Hence, we have completed our quadrilateral is completed. Hence, our quadrilateral ABCD is constructed. Okay, very good. Now question number 2 I am giving you to complete it by yourself because it is very much similar to the question number 1. Okay, very much similar to the question number, and for practice I must give you one. Okay, now question number 3, construct a parallelogram MORE with OR is equal to 6 RE is equal to 4.5 and EO is equal to 7.5 centimeters. My friend, you may be thinking that sir have taught earlier that you require minimum 5 measurements to draw a quadrilateral, but here only 3 is given. But my friends, in a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. Okay, so they need to give only one side because opposite side of the quadrilateral will be the same as the earlier one. Okay, so two adjacent sides are given, then you are given all the 4 sides and one diagonal. Okay, so one diagonal and 2 sides are given, and then opposite sides will be the same as the opposite side. Okay, so this is a parallelogram. Look at it, a parallelogram will like this. Okay, so it's MORE. See, OR is given 6 centimeter, then RE is 4.5 centimeter, then EO, this is given 7.5 centimeter. Okay, now my friends, if this is OR is 6 centimeter, then ME will definitely be 6 centimeter. If ER is 4.5, then MO will also be of 4.5 centimeter. Okay, so 2 side and a triangle. So using this, first of all, using SSS criteria, will construct a triangle ORE. Then M is 6 centimeters away from E, and M is 4.5 centimeters away from O. So using SSS criteria, we'll draw the triangle ORE. But my friend, will start with a diagonal. So OREO is the diagonal. Okay. Rather OE diagonal or EO diagonal. That is 7.5 centimeters. And then R is 6 centimeters away from O. So 6 centimeters. Okay, 6 centimeters. That is R. Then RE is 4.5 centimeter. Now we want to find the one vertex is M. So M, this one will be the parallelogram. So if this one is 6 centimeter, then ME will be 6 centimeter and OM will be 4.5 centimeter. Okay, so this is how we can draw the parallelogram MORE. We'll start with OE is equal to 7.5 centimeters, and using SSS criteria we'll draw triangle ORE. Okay, now let us start. It's a 7.5 centimeters long OE, MORE. Okay, 7.5 centimeter long. This is OE or EO, anything. OE, which is 7.5 centimeters. Now we want to find R. We can find R only. Okay, so OR is 6 centimeter. So taking 6 centimeters radius, taking radius is equal to 6 centimeter, we draw an arc. Okay, taking O as center and radius is equal to 6 centimeter, we'll draw an arc. And now taking E as a center and radius 4.5 centimeter, we will draw another arc. Okay, this is the point of intersection is R. Now a triangle has been constructed which is ORE. Okay, this is up 6 centimeter and this is up 4.5 centimeter. Now this is the construction of triangle is completed using SSS criteria, and now we want the fourth point, which may be approximately be here. Okay, so M is 6 centimeters away from E. So using E as a center and radius is equal to 6 centimeter, we'll draw an arc. Okay, using E as a center and radius is equal to 6 centimeter, I draw an arc. So now M is 4.5 centimeters away from O. M is 4.5 centimeters away from O. So using M as a center and radius is equal to 4.5 centimeters, we will draw another arc intersecting this one. Okay. Now we will join. Here is the point M. We'll join ME and OM. And this is how we can draw this parallelogram MORE. Okay, now we will write the steps. Okay, now first of all we have constructed triangle ORE using SSS criteria. So using SSS criteria, construct or draw triangle ORE such that OE is equal to 7.5 centimeters. Here is OE is equal to 7.5 centimeters. Then OR is equal to 6 centimeters and ER is equal to 4.5 centimeters. Okay, then we want the last fourth vertex. Okay, now taking E as a center, taking E as a center and radius equals to 6 centimeter. Draw an arc to the opposite side of R with reference to OE. Okay, OE. Then now taking O as a center, and radius 4.5 centimeter, draw another arc intersecting the earlier drawn arc at point M, and now join OM and EM. And this is how our quadrilateral or parallelogram MORE is constructed. So hence our parallelogram MORE is constructed. Okay, now my friend, you might have enjoyed drawing this. So when you draw a construction for quadrilateral, step by step, pausing the video, you have to follow me. Okay, आपको क्या करना है, आपको हर स्टेप के बाद वीडियो को पॉज करना है और आपको मेरे साथ ही ड्रॉ करना है. कंस्ट्रक्शन ऐसे ही ड्रॉ की जाती है. सो फॉलो दिस इंस्ट्रक्शन, ओके, एंड ड्रॉ ऑल दिस. ओके, वेरी गुड.